So 33 Piccadilly is a mixed-use facility. Basement up to level 1 is going to be retail, and then level 2 up to level 9 is going to be office space.
The original building, what was on this place, was built after the Second World War. Our client decided that the best option is to demolish the original building and construct a better team in the same spot. The challenges in the area is quite a lot of close proximity neighbors, hotel, office buildings, embassies behind us there, and main road Piccadilly.
Real-time scope was to take the project from the demolition of the existing basement ground floor slab.
I was the main engineer doing the design of the propping system for this project. It's 5 levels of prop, retaining both existing wall and new basement walls. All started with big collaboration in the beginning, early on the design phase with real time.
The reason for the profit on this project was to maximise the use of space. If we'd gone down more traditional method, the client would have lost too much ground coming inbound of the existing structure. Design brief to Conquit was fairly complex. We had a lot of moving parts to get this to a place it would work.
The main challenges on the design for this project was the fact that we have 3 different types of walls in here.
By utilising the props and an underpinning method, we were able to maximise the space we can give back to the client.
In collaboration with real time on the early stages of design, we defined very specific points where we could use our equipment to avoid any potential clashes later during construction works.
We had the existing walls, which were incredibly weak. We had how we were going to hold those in place without physically punching through the walls in the first place.
Our equipment was to transfer some forces to those elements to deposit any forces on it, and then we had some constraint on depositing shear forces onto the sheet pile wall, so we had to adapt our equipment in order to work as a single beam or improvise some shear key restraints.
We had stringent targets of carbon on our project there, and the only way we could achieve is if we do underpinning under the existing basement wall. That was never going to happen without the concrete basement rocket.
We contributed to sustainability by making use of our proprietary equipment and by ensuring an optimized design using our equipment's full capacity.
Conquit's temporary works team have been really instrumental in third-party approvals for this project. Their design information and iterative design process has been really clear in demonstrating the temporary propping scheme for retaining the existing highways around the boundary of the site.
The Conquit design team have been absolutely fantastic. They're always there, available when you need them. There's been a couple of items where we've had to call them and say, can we change this? And they've always been incredibly helpful and solution driven, which has been really handy.
Real time extremely helpful. They've got a really good relationship with Conquit, and any questions that we had or any issues that arise, they've dealt with them in absolutely timely manner.